Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the cruise control fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So the cruise control, fuses and relays, where you can guys expect to find them? We will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban right here. Both of these models are built on the same platform. The main difference, the Tahoe is a little bit shorter than the Suburban. So guys, it should apply to both models. And quick advice, 5 out of 10, I would say probably even more, 7 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be 5 hidden fuse boxes in that SUV. That's why we made a special video to help you out guys. On our YouTube channel, it's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What do we guys need to do now? Okay, first we need to go ahead and open the driver door. On the side of the dash you have a cover guys. Pry that cover open. Now you see cruise control switches right here, right? So when you pry that cover open, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So if your cruise control doesn't work, you're trying to find the fuse guys, there is not a specific fuse for that, but that function is integrated in other modules usually, so we'll explain which fuses we need to check. Usually you want to check the fuse for the steering wheel controls and for the ABS and brake traction control system, because it's part of the cruise control. So if you zoom in here now, we need to check one fuse in that fuse box. That fuse specifically guys, okay, it's known as fuse number 12. That's this fuse here. Okay, and then if you come to the passenger side, you have the same cover, pry it open, you have, okay, almost identical fuse box there as well guys. And here, what do we need to check? Okay, we need to check again exactly the same fuse, number 12, but after that you need to go to open the hood on your Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban. On the driver's side you have another fuse box, pry that cover open. Okay, it opens, it has clips, open it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now guys, here we need to check 2 more fuses. We will recommend to check those fuses are for the ABS and brake system guys usually. And now these fuses, okay, will need to be checked. First one is known as fuse number 2 right here. Check that one, and then you need to check fuse number 35 right there. Hopefully guys that will help. If your cruise control doesn't work, we'll have a special video that explains why cruise control doesn't work on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.